Today, let us try to understand Tuckman Ladder, which is a great model for team development. When we start a project, during the initiation phase, we assemble the team or team members, we try to form the team, and the team members are coming from different backgrounds, and they may be even strangers to each other. So they just come together and the team formation happens. Then the next stage is storming. Because of their different cultural backgrounds and sometimes they jockey for power, then the storming happens. Then they norm, they self-organize, they kind of settle down. Each person understands their roles and responsibilities very clearly, both formal and informal. And they norm as a team. Then they perform. And towards the end of the project, we get into the adjourning, because project teams are temporary in nature. And at the end of the project, the team is dispersed so that they can go for other work. This is the Tuckman Ladder, and so which comprises of forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Whether it is professional teaming or amateur teaming or any form of team or teaming, we undergo these stages of forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Here, the key aspect that need to be understood by the leader or manager is what should be the role of a manager when the team passes through these stages. So during the forming stage, the manager should play the role of a counselor. When new team members comes in, we should establish the team norms, introduce them to the project charter, the team charter, the ground rules, the facilities available, make them comfortable. That is the role of a leader or manager during the team forming stage. Then during storming stage, when there can be minor fights or struggles, power struggles within the team, there is a time when the manager or the leader should play a moderator role, because at that time, if these things are not moderated well, that can flare up, and sometimes it can result in people leaving the team as well. So during the storming state, the manager / leader should play the role of a moderator. And when the team is in the norming state, we should play the role of a facilitator, and the team starts really performing. That is the toughest stage. And what should be the role of a manager or leader? The best role would be, please get out of the way of the team, don't disturb them, don't disrupt them. And then we move on to the adjourning state. So the team gets dispersed. Sometimes again we may need some sort of counseling there to make it smoother, because some of the team members can be very sad and depressed because we worked together excellently, achieved the goals, and now it is time to disperse and get into other projects. Maybe some amount of counseling may help. Here the challenge is the projects are very short time period, and we have to take the teams through these stages very quickly, and that is where the ability of a leader or manager plays a major role. The The teaming is that the stages can be speeded up, provided one of the strategies can be you create a common enemy. That can be in the form of your competitor, or it can be a tight schedule, a challenge. So when which is common for all the team members, and that can really facilitate these stages, or speed up these stages. And that is the charisma or the ability of the leader to take the team through the stages pretty quickly. And sometimes when the team is really performing, we add new members to the team, then again this forming, storming, norming happens, and productivity can come down temporarily. That is when we say we add more resources into a project which is already late. Sometimes it can delay things further, and this is the root cause for it, because the existing team is working very well, they're performing. Suddenly you add new team members that can disrupt the rhythm, and again that the team will get into forming, storming, and norming stages, which can reduce productivity. Great model, very effective from the practitioner's point of view. And this also helps to be a situational leader. So because depending on the level within this Tuckman ladder, we should adapt to the different leadership styles. So this gives a lot of insight into the team formation. Thank you very much. To get more information about this, I've given the link at the description of the video. So click on the link so that you can get into the corresponding page at Project Management Research Institute site at pmri.in. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.